Dalawang munting kahilingan na may umagang daratnan. Samahan sina Shara Soto
Hindi lang siya umatay, Ma.
at Miss Hilda Coronel. Sa istorya ni Laila at sina Chat Silayan,
Magbibigay ka ba o hindi?
Pen Medina
Masyado ka na inaagrabyado ng mga kapatid mo eh.
at Katya Santos
Desidido ako makatapos ng pag-aaral. Ganun din naman ho siya.
sa kwento ni Mang Boy. Dalawang hiling sa may umagang darating. Sa Itbulagas, Lenten Reflections.
Kids need more than mental ability to do well in school. Dapat high EQ, so they're more self-confident and can get along well with others.
Nurture your child's emotional intelligence or EQ with love, interaction, and proper nutrition. The RDA levels of essential nutrients in progress are balanced to keep pace with the physical, mental, and emotional growth of your child.
When they're emotionally ready, kids get more out of school.
Because your child is a work in progress.
Because first impressions last.
The power of Nutri-Delight now comes with even more power. The Powerpuff Girls. Get a placemat free only from Nutri-Delight. Collect all 6. It's all you need for a power lunch.
Parang di ko yata kaya maging sangkalabasa. Pa-awards sa nasawit, lao sa panlasa.
Panalo ka with New Nor Paggisa Mix. Kompleto sa sanggap kaya it's budbod so good.
Budbod Nor Paggisa, hirang dito. Ako'y iyong kakainin.
May kanta ba na tungkol sa tawa? May kanta bang puno ng ligaya? Na kayang ikwento ang nararamdaman ko. Kayang ipaabot ang saya ng pagkula.
Sa mga napuntahan, wala pang narinig. Sa pinanggalingan, walang di isang himig. Natama ang timpla, tulad ng pag-cola. Mas enjoy talaga ang ating pag-cola.
Cola, mas enjoy!
Sa lahat ng parte ng katawan, ang paa ang pinakamatindi ang karanasan. Araw-araw, nabubugbog sa iba't ibang klaseng activities. Salamat na lamang at may katapat silang Islander Sandals. May kapal ng urig, tibay ng urig. Islander Sandals, katapat ng pinakamatinding paa.
Having a hard time with your studies? Exhausted by the end of the day? Nakakulang kayo sa iron. Here's Regain, the healthy snack chips made for us ladies. Fortified with enough iron that helps improve a teen's mental performance and regain a woman's peak physical stamina. Each pack contains 1/3 of our RDA for iron as well as vitamin A, folic acid, and iodine, exacted by the Department of Health. We're glad there's Regain. Regain, healthy snacks specially for ladies.
Pagkabit ng Hardiflex, easy as ABCD. Always use this nailing guide. 2 inches mula sa kanto, 1/2 inch mula sa side, 8 inches wide between the pako. Be sure to use Hardiflex nails and you will never fail. Cut Hardiflex with a scoring knife. Sa Hardiflex, sandali ng life. Dial these numbers for more info. Sa Hardiflex, sandali ng life.
May gamot ka sa ubo. Iba sa sipon. Iba sa sakit ng ulo, iba pa sa trangkaso. Bakit pa? Kaya naman lahat ito ng Tusiran. Sa Tusiran, tanggal ang ubo, pati na rin ang sipon, sakit ng ulo at trangkaso. Tusiran, sa galing, 4 kayang tanggalin.
Summer is the worst time for your hair. Di ba nakaka-dry? Anong nangyayari sa buhok mo paglabas mo sa tubig?
Talang hirap suklayan. Sticky.
Pero lalambot hot oil yan with Rejoice Rich Sachet. Who's willing? So papayag kang sumali sa Rejoice Hot Oil Challenge.
Siguro. Sige.
Ano masasabi mo? May portable sink kami sa beach.
Galing.
Chili hair.
Madulas siya. Malambot. Parang nut oil.
Kaya ngayon summer, mag-Rejoice Rich Sachet.
Lambot hot oil, dulas hot oil sa isang Rejoice Sachet.
Explore Nestle Drumstick Sensations. Crunchy nuts. Rich and smooth vanilla ice cream. Crispy wafer. And an irresistible chocolate chip. Nestle Drumstick. Sensations you love all the way.
Sometimes when you brush, your gums bleed. Bleeding, swollen gums are signs of gingivitis, and 1 out of 2 people suffer from it. No big deal? Wrong. Use Listerine, the only PDA-recognized mouthwash that kills over 90% of oral germs. It helps stop and reverse gingivitis. Now that's a big deal. For strong, healthy gums, Listerine.
Shoes ko, daily cleanup with Kiwi. I do it myself. Bawas kulubot, bawas gasgas, bawas kupas. 1-minute habit ko mag-Kiwi daily. Kaya ang kinis, hindi lang mukha, hanggang ibaba.
Not guilty. Munching abuse.
Not guilty.
Obsessive nibbling.
Not guilty.
Multiple snacking. The bodies of evidence.
I wanna be free.
You're free to crunch all you want.
Not guilty.
Nova multi-grain snacks. Healthy chips of multi-grains. You be the judge.
I got freedom.
Yes, I'm free.
Nova, it's for every body's good.
Got it? I got it. He's been in the States for 12 years.